Hi guys, welcome to episode 3 of Cup of Java. So we're just gonna continue where we left off in yesterday's episode. We were finishing the example on day, was it day 4? The math class, math learning.java. So we're just copying the results in, and I don't know where these came from. Okay, so okay, so are we gonna do these as well? Blah 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 blah. Alright, so let's do this. Alright. I'm just gonna copy paste everything. I don't know what we're doing yet, but there's like some information at the bottom of the example. So we're gonna run through this very quickly. Well, we haven't defined blah 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 yet. We haven't made it into a method, right? So where is blah blah blah? Oh crap. Okay, we're gonna define it afterwards. Okay, outside of the main method. So public static void blah. Oops, can't type. Blah blah. And the parameter is output. See, we're learning stuff. It's great. Okay, let me get this. So public static void blah blah blah. So we've defined blah blah blah. So will these stop? And type method is not applicable for arguments int. Do we have to define this as int output? Oh crap. Well, we will figure this out. So inside of blah 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 we can do system dot out print ln, print line, not print in. Oops, I did the same thing. Print ln. That's a method, and it's taking the output parameter from the method, from blah blah blah. Okay. Before you copy this code into Eclipse, let's see if you know what the code will do. Alright, so let's see if I know what it will do. Okay, so we've defined some variables that have some fixed values. A equals 10, B equals 15, C equals 22. We've created some variables to put the calculations into, and for a result it's a plus B, which would be 25, a minus B, which would be a minus B, what is it, 5, a times C, which should be 220, a C divided by B, that's gonna leave you with that's going to leave you with okay, yeah, it's gonna leave you with a remainder. So that's what this is. And then basically it's gonna take the results from the result variables and it's gonna print it on screen. So whatever result is in there, it's gonna be print, and because we're calling it 5 times, it's gonna print 5 lines, or is it gonna be 1 line with all the variables together? I'm guessing it's gonna be 5 lines. 5 lines. Okay, so I understand what we'll do. If you get stuck, check below. Blah blah blah. Let me see. Important notes. The location of blah 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 in output. So we gotta do an output. Yeah. So we gotta define the type of local variable parameter. So that solves that. Except it brings on another issue. Semicolon. Maybe that wasn't supposed to be there. Okay, system. And output cannot be resolved to a variable. Why not? Oh, it is because it's wrong. Ah, damn capitalization. Okay. So why doesn't it want output to work? Do we have to like convert it from int to a string? Like output dot convert to string or something? Change. Create local variable output. I thought that was already here. Alright, let's read on. The location of blah 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 int output method does not matter. We can put it, okay, that's, yeah, it did say it. When the statement steps from 6 above or each, top to bottom, -5, 221, 7, okay, oops, unity, god damn it. Wait a second, everything makes sense. I know that, but the string thing is... Alright, let's run it and see if it's just belly aching. Because I know that happens sometimes. Proceed. Alright, it's not belly aching. It won't run. Alright, so let's see if I didn't miss anything. Int output. Oh, there was int output. I'm blind. I should be wearing my glasses. Alright. So why is output giving us an issue? Is it like a type thing? Maybe because this is supposed to be a string input? Or does Java automatically do that like JavaScript does? Alright, so create parameter output. Oh shit, that's where my problem is. Output. There we go. Now I got issues with this one. There we go. Print. What is that character? Anyway, there we do it. There we go. There we go. That's good. Okay, so yep, I should probably be wearing my glasses. So there it is. We actually got the same results, and we understood what we were doing. Plus plus adds 1 to the variable. Increment and de-increment. I don't know. It's a pre-incremental operator. Oh. And a post-incremental operator. What's the difference? But the latter is much more commonly used, and you can, for the most part, accomplish the exact same thing without the former. So I wouldn't waste time discussing it at the moment. Okay, so that's not important. Example of a counter follows. It's gonna just continue forever. So are we gonna do this, or creating a new thing? Oh yeah, we're creating a new class. Alright, so let's do new class. I'm gonna call it counter. Alright, so there we go, our class. Let's create the main method, which should be... Alright, let's just copy this instead of doing it on our own. So static int counter is assigned 0 semicolon. God damn it. Dude, it's just not my day. Public static void main string array args. Alright, string has got to be capitalized. God damn it, that's gonna be the end of me. Alright, so we're creating a while loop. While brackets braces parentheses braces. Alright, so counters, which we have created, that's a class variable, integer class variable. So while counter is less than 10, it's going to be updated. It's going to be counted on. It's going to be incremented per loop. And it's going to be read out. Print line. UNTR. So I guess print line doesn't need to. You don't need to convert the variable type for print line. Alright, let's see if that works. Oh, there you go. You counted. So it did count from 1 to 10 in an instance. Here's a code. So the public class counter, we've created a class variable, an integer class variable named counter, and we assigned it 0, the value 0. And then we created the public method, and we created a while loop. And while counter is less than 10, counter is incremented. Then we put the output, we print the output, and then when counter is greater than 10, it ends the program. It breaks the loop. Alright, so we declare a counter class. Okay, I just called all that. We created an integer called counter. We created a main method. We're almost out of time. Yeah, I got that. Double output. Okay, that's gonna be cool. Let's do that one. So we're gonna jump back to math learning. Let's save that. Jump back to math learning, and we're gonna do this really. But we gotta define counter, right? Yeah. So we gotta define counter, static, god damn it, int counter, declare counter, define declare, what's the vernacular, 0 semicolon. Alright, so we've declared it. Doubles are 128-bit, 64-bit values, right? I'm clueless on that part. Alright, so double. So basically, just adding two lines of code and modifying the print line thing. So counter increment semicolon. And we're just gonna add it. Oh, this is kind of like JavaScript in a sense. You can just add stuff. So result plus counter is output. Alright, so results. Crap. Oops. So it seems that we're out of time for this episode. It was kind of slow this episode because getting to understand the syntax and the math. We'll see what happens on the next episode, and you can follow along. It's on XDA Developers, this tutorial, and it's fairly easy so far if I'm managing it. So see you guys on the next episode.